Hi, friends. Happy Tuesday. Tuesday means it is Fruit of the Spirit Tuesday. So, if you remember, last week we learned about joy, and this week we're going to talk about patience. So, let's figure out what that word means. Patience is being able to remain calm in a tough situation. We need to be patient when we are waiting in a long line or when we are teaching something new. Patience. Patience is a really hard thing. Sometimes it is super hard to wait on something, especially when you really, really, really want it. So, what I want you to do now is think of a time where it was hard for you to wait. Maybe it was waiting in the line at the store, maybe it was waiting for a special Christmas gift coming up. But think about that and then tell whoever's helping you at home about that situation. Okay? And then after you do that, you, my friends, are going to go ahead and color your picture. And then you're going to record yourself reading the Bible verse for today. And let me show you what the Bible verse is for today. So, patience. Our Bible verse today comes from Romans chapter 8, verse 25. But if we hope for what we do not yet have, we wait for it. Okay? You need to be grateful for what you already have, okay? Because God has already given us so much, even if it doesn't seem like He has. We have all that we need, and we should be grateful for everything that we have. So, again, but if we hope for what we do not have yet have, we wait for it patiently, okay? So, what you need to do is if there's something that if you want, you can hope for it, but you have to wait for it patiently. Okay, so now what I want you to do is go ahead and color the picture. And then I want you to record yourself reading this Bible verse from Romans chapter 8, verse 25. But if we hope for what we do not yet have, we wait for it patiently. So remember, having patience is not always easy, but we have to do it, especially when we really, really are hoping for something. And if we don't have it yet, it doesn't mean we're not going to get it. We just have to be patient. Okay, so color the picture and record yourself reading this Bible verse and then post it to Cecil. Thank you guys. Have a great day.